Uh, what's the number one thing that I've learned throughout this mentoring? It's I get to know the working pipeline in the real industry, and planning before start working is extremely important. And the most exciting part is I can rig and animate our own character. Yeah, thank you.
Hello. What's the number one thing I learned in this course is I get to learn how to animate. And since I'm a VFX student, the most excited part of this course is I get to do a live action short film. Thank you.
What is the number one things that you learn in this pre-production?
Mainly the amount of planning and effort that goes into the pre-production stage. I mean, I was really quite surprised the amount of work that you need to do in order to make a proper short film, even if it's 2 or 3 minutes.
Alright. What do you feel about it?
This program, I think I'm actually really lucky that I signed up for it because it's a real eye-opener to the things that we need to do in the industry. Without this, I think I would just be diving in blind when I graduate.
What is the number one thing that you learn from this pre-production program?
I learned that creating a short film is not that easy, but with good camera angles and good storyboards, a good quality video will be produced.
So how do you feel about this pre-production program?
I felt that it quite fastened our workout and I feel great about it, and I don't even regret that I signed up for this program. It's quite good for me.
What have you learned in pre-production?
I learned how everyone's roles are very important and how everyone comes together as with their individual roles as a team to build on the story. And now I know why pre-production takes such a long time.
What do you feel about the program?
I think the program is very organized, very structured, and overall I'm very relieved to know that every week there's something to do.
I learned about how to create a title of a story in a simple way. Because before I entered this program, I actually thought that a creative idea is really difficult to develop. You just need to do it, a lot of experience, a lot of things, then you can get it. But through this program, I actually learned how to do something and elaborate or generate the ideas from some simple steps, and I think that is really work for me. I think this is like a preparation before I enter the real world industry or some production house, because it let me learn about the pipelines and learn about the steps, how we're going to achieve our goal and how we're going to prepare for our film before we shoot it. As a VFX artist, I would say this is a great experience for me to experience all the tools, all the skills, and make me feel more comfortable when I'm shooting with a good storyboard. So, besides that, I think this is not only a program, it's actually a motivation for me to achieve my goal. So I think this is a great program.